Have all of your clips ready, then click on your clip speed curve flash in. Do for each clip, then on each clip go to animation out fade out. Adjust it to 0.1 seconds. Go to Video Effects Basic and scroll till you see Slanted Blur. Adjust it to Blur 100 and rotate 50. Shorten it. Copy it and stack it below the top slanted blur. Do this for every clip. Screenshot this and add it as an overlay. Splice overlay, change the opacity to whatever looks good. Add overlay stock videos and choose the white one. Splice overlay. Shorten it to fit the clip. Animation fade out all the way. Cue it and put it on each clip.